When your dish remote stops responding, don't panic. Most remote issues can be solved with simple troubleshooting steps. Let's walk through the most common solutions. First, verify you're using the correct remote. Dish systems often have multiple remotes for different rooms and receivers. Check for room labels or stickers on your remote. The most common cause of remote failure is dead batteries. Replace them with fresh ones, paying careful attention to the positive and negative polarity markings inside the battery compartment. If new batteries don't work immediately, try this reset technique. Remove the batteries, wait 10 seconds to drain any residual power, then reinsert them. This simple reset often resolves communication issues. Infrared remotes require a clear line of sight to the receiver. Remove any objects, blocking the path between your remote and the dish receiver's front panel where the IR sensor is located. Some LCD TVs can interfere with IR signals. If you're still having issues, try placing a small piece of paper over the receiver's IR sensor window to reduce interference. Finally, check that your remote is in the correct function mode. Press the SAT-T button to control your dish receiver or TV button for television functions. The active mode button should be highlighted or lit up. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of dish remote problems. If your remote still isn't responding after trying these solutions, more advanced troubleshooting techniques may be required. If basic troubleshooting hasn't resolved your dish remote issues, we'll try advanced solutions starting with a remote reset. This soft reset clears any temporary glitches in the remote's memory. If this doesn't work, we'll move to a hard reset. For a hard reset, we need to repair the remote with your dish receiver. First, locate the System Info button on your receiver's front panel. If your receiver doesn't have a System Info button, turn the receiver off and press the Channel Up button while it's off. Once the System Info screen appears on your TV, press the SAT button on your remote. Listen for 3 ascending tones or watch for the mode lights to flash. Finally, press the Record button to complete the synchronization process. This should restore communication between your remote and receiver. If the remote reset doesn't work, try resetting the receiver itself. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet for 10 to 30 seconds. This power cycle clears the receiver's memory and often resolves communication issues between the remote and receiver. If traditional troubleshooting fails, consider using a universal remote app on your smartphone or tablet as an alternative control method. If all troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the issue, contact Dish customer support for professional assistance and potential hardware replacement.